We have a diagram of y equals f of x. It's a cubic, and we're asked to explain why one of the roots, f of x equals 0, cannot be found by the sign change method. So this one can, because to the left it's positive, and to the right it's negative. But this one here, this is a root because it touches the x-axis. However, there is no change of sign because it remains positive. So we just need to write some words along those lines. So this is what I wrote. There is a root between x equals 0 and 0.5, but no change of sign. I think I need it when I did it. I didn't write this next bit, but I think it is good too. So we can say f of x is going to be greater than 0. Sorry, I probably should have had that all on one line. Either side. And then, so the sign change method cannot be used. Here. Essentially, this is getting into the technicalities of the sign change method. Um, there's lots of things going on with the sign change method. So just because you have a change of sign doesn't mean that there's only one route. You could have this sort of thing, and then actually you got a change of sign. In fact, you've got three routes. So that it says you got at least one route. If you don't find a change of sign, it doesn't mean there isn't a route, because um, maybe yeah, again, maybe actually it was like this, and you ended up with two roots in between, or maybe something like this where it just touches. And finally, you have to remember. So these are just a few of the things off the top of my head that I'm thinking about the sign change method. I just thought I'd add. Just because you get a sign change doesn't mean there is a root, because you also have to have the functions being continuous. 1 over x, for example, goes from negative to positive, but there's no root because there's a discontinuity. So these are just some of the things to be aware of. Nice.